Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.
Most importantly, the Bureau Fulani Association, with membership of up to 50 members, must come together and talk with one voice on this decision of open grazing and not necessarily allow any group to come out to do it for them. Many African countries are shying away from open grazing because of poverty and lack of full education. Some Fulani children are involved in some unholy acts which will surely be remedied by provision of grazing rap. I see this opportunity to congratulate all the governors for the steps they have taken to curb the menace of open grazing, kidnapping, and banditry. In the Southwest, the recent action by the governor of Oyo State, Chief Makinde, is very commendable. I commend him for shining away the call, asking all Hausas and Fulanis to leave Southwest.